Clouds were heavy yesterday, but hope still found another way. Every tear became a stream, leading me back to my dream. I can feel the morning rise, golden light across the skies. After the rain, the colors shine. Every broken road aligns. From the ashes we will grow, stronger than we'll ever know. Hand in hand we'll find our way, chasing every brand new day. Every mountain, every bend taught me where the light begins. Every heartbeat, every song reminds me where I belong. When the night is cold and long, hope becomes our strongest song. Every